Why choose a connected home gym?
Connected home gyms bring interactive workouts right to your living space. They offer on-demand classes, real-time guidance, and track your progress over time. Whether you're aiming for strength, cardio, or flexibility, these smart systems make workouts more motivating and efficient. Investing in a connected setup allows you to personalize your fitness routine, save time on travel, and exercise whenever it fits your schedule.
Picking the right equipment.
Start by identifying your workout goals. If you love cycling, consider a smart bike. For strength, look into connected weights or all-in-one gyms. Check equipment compatibility with your preferred fitness apps. Think about space. Compact models are ideal for smaller homes. Make sure your choices offer online classes, progress tracking, and easy integration with other devices. Research brands for reliability and user support.
Setting up your space.
Choose a well-ventilated area with enough space to move safely. Position your equipment away from fragile items and ensure good Wi-Fi coverage. Install mats to protect floors and reduce noise. If your gear has screens, place them at eye level to keep good posture during workouts. Organize accessories like weights or resistance bands within easy reach. Good lighting and a clutter-free area help create an inviting workout environment.
Connecting and installing your gear.
Follow manufacturer instructions for safe assembly. Connect your equipment to Wi-Fi so you can stream classes and track your performance. Download the Companion app on your phone or tablet for setup and customization. Register your device for updates and support. Test connectivity and video quality before your first workout. Set up user profiles if others in your household will use the gym. Double-check for any software updates.
Making the most of connected features.
Explore virtual classes, coaching, and leaderboards to stay engaged. Track your workouts through integrated apps for a clear view of your progress. Schedule reminders to help you keep a consistent routine. Take advantage of community challenges or social sharing if you like extra motivation. Regularly update your equipment and app to access new features and security improvements. Adjust your workouts based on real-time feedback and analytics.